Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is August 18th, 2022, 8:40 p.m. And today was an extremely tiring and a terribly taxing day. You can even make out from my voice, I'm not able to speak very well. It wouldn't have been so intense. I did a mistake actually. I drank a cough syrup, a regular dosage of cough syrup at like 4:30 because I was having a bit of a throat pain. I don't know from where, like out of nowhere, maybe because of the weather. And that is like, it makes you sleep. That syrup is of that nature. So after that, I was having an extremely tough time just getting along the day. So the majority of the day was of course spent in the 3-year video. Tons of templates gone through. As a matter of fact, I woke up at 9 today, and this is one observation I wrote down. Should be helpful that Excel auto hotkey functions need to avoid control as a modifier. Maybe that is the reason why sometimes the data doesn't go from Excel to TC Calc, which I used to wonder why is it not going, because every time you press control inside Excel, it activates the paste options menu inside Excel. So control should not be used by any, so like for control G2 and it's going through all the rows, there shouldn't be anything in the clipboard already. Excel has just one clipboard, like if you copy something and then you do something else, that clipboard just vanishes. But if there is something in that clipboard, then control will activate that, and so the data won't go or won't get pasted into Excel. This came through because I did 3 episodes at 10 o'clock or 11:30 when I was like a bit free, so I did 3 episodes of show 2 there. But then we got to this little adding stuff was done. That wasn't a problem. 3-year making started at 13:25. Like a while back, I rendered the entire 2-minute video, so that renders like not even 30%, and I have sent it across. But it will take like 2 more weeks for me to. And I frankly, there was no need to stress so much about it because we've got all the data yesterday. Like today, I got a few of those metrics that we need to add in the video. The footage has been shot like yesterday, not all of it, but like all of it got completed yesterday. So how am I expected to get the video edited by today? It is gonna take, and I've asked for 2 weeks. Let's see how it goes. The majority of progress today was on the fact that I came across this. I already knew this script called RD comp setter. What this script does is it allows you to set multiple compositions, duration, dimensions, and everything. I even used it for a few templates because I was really feeling that I need that AE comp extender template where you press a button, it goes into every single comp and every single pre-comp and extends the duration to, let's say, something big, 40 seconds, and even extends the contents inside to that much duration. And RD comp setter exactly does that. So what I have to do is I have to go through the code of RD comp setter and understand how it is set. So if you look at the code, it is pretty daunting at first, but because I know how it works inside After Effects scripting, it's not that daunting as well. So a lot of the things I can learn here, as in the flags that they put, right, which makes it so fault proof or error proof. This is the thing that they do. RD comp setter comp set recursively, which is the main function here. So they are using a recursive function to go inside every single comp, new width, new height, new pair, new EPS. So of course I need to understand how this is working and then condense it and apply it to my own script. So this is one very good thing that I have, like a ready-made script which is working amazingly well to understand how certain things that I want to do with my scripts can be done. For Blender, I did not do pretty much anything today. So yeah, that's kind of a very sad kind of depressing documentation of today. I was thinking of not going down because I still have a bit of a throat pain. I don't know why, but I'm thinking like maybe I should just go and do skipping because it makes me feel a lot more fresh if I do that. So I'll just go and not miss the gym session. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's documentation. Tomorrow is a holiday from the full-time job, which is good news because I'll get to work like the whole day tomorrow on show 2 and get at least 12-15 episodes in the bag before I go for the offsite, which is day after tomorrow. That is going to be an experience in itself, provided this throat pain doesn't intensify and I get sick or something. It's kind of uncomfortable, like getting out of your comfort zone. But let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for being with me. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.